Here we have another set of fuel injectors for the Harley Davidsons. The one on the left is going to be a 4.03 grams per second, and the one on the right is a 5.7 grams per second, which is our high performance for the Harley Davidsons. Here we have right here, we're going through the different RPMs all the way up to 8,000 RPMs. As you can see, the ones that are stock, which are on the left hand side, as compared to the ones on the right, which are the high performance. The flow patterns are identical, and as you can see, as it goes up to the RPMs, the flows that are going right now. Remember, what you're looking for on a bike is you're looking for the atomization. The atomization is what gives you the horsepower and also gives you gas mileage. Okay, here we have the next generation of fuel injectors for the Harley Davidson. This right here is the stock one, which is at 32 pounds, or it is the 4.03 grams per second. It's also called the IWP 043, which we sell a lot of for the second generations. As you can tell, it's identical to the ones that are stock. The second one we have over here is the IWP 069, which is 46 pound or 5.7 grams per second. As you can tell, they are both the same height, the same everything else. This is what we use for our high performance, and these go all the way up to 5.9 grams per second.